It's about to be carnival season, and this corn dog, it's not just over the top, it's aggressive. It's actively picking fights with the lemonade stand and side-eyeing the deep-fried Oreos. It came here to be petty, delicious, and fully aware it's the best dressed snack at the fair. Step aside, funnel cake, there's a new main character in town. Alright, starting out, first we want to grab some cheddar-stuffed hot dogs. These are already loaded with gooey cheese, so no slicing or stuffing required. And then we just want to slowly insert some wooden skewers into the cheddar hot dogs, and I emphasize slowly just so you don't poke yourself or accidentally break through the casing. And if you do, it's all good, just readjust and then chill them while you prep the batter. And FYI, cold dogs equal better dipping. Also, pat them dry. Moisture messes with how the batter clings and can cause splatter in the oil. This recipe definitely makes enough batter to coat 6 full-size dogs. You'll want to pour into a tall glass or mason jar for easy dipping once it's ready. And you can experiment with other types of stuffed hot dogs and sausages too. I used a habanero and green chili stuffed chicken sausage and it was absolutely delicious as expected. Now for our crispy batter. In a bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. That's 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and the zest of 1 lime. And then in a separate second bowl, we're gonna whisk together our wet ingredients. And that's 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno juice, and 1 tablespoon of roasted garlic paste. And then we're gonna combine our wet and dry ingredients, and then we're gonna add in a few other things. We're gonna fold in half a cup of roasted corn kernels, and I just bought this canned. I drained them and then patted them dry. Again, we wanna keep water out of this mix. A 1/4 cup of shredded smoked cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions. And the batter should be thick like pancake batter. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes while you heat the oil, and that hydration period is gonna make it fry up way better. Speaking of oil, let's heat it up to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna dip each skewered hot dog into the batter. And you just want to twirl it slightly as you lift it out for even coverage, and then just gently drop it into the hot oil and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. And we want to work in batches here and not crowd the pot. Once you get them out of the oil, just drain them on a wire rack, definitely not paper towels so they stay crispy. If you were to put them on paper towels, the oil will steam and start making things all mushy. And you know what? If one of those cheddar stuffed dogs breaks open and oozes, that's not a mistake, that's a thumbnail. And looky here, we're almost done with this entire recipe. However, we do need our drizzly goodness. So first up, some hot honey. Either you can use some store-bought or you can mix up a 1/4 cup of honey and 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Then we need our spicy elote crema, and that's just whisking together a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of ancho chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and of course a pinch of salt. And if you have time, make this ahead and let it chill for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then we just drizzle both over the corn dogs. But we're still not done because we still need to sprinkle on some crumbled tortilla cheese, some chopped cilantro, some tahini or chili powder, and maybe hit it with a lime wedge for good measure. And that's it. Cheddar stuffed elote corn dogs, golden, crispy, sweet, spicy, cheesy, and straight up addictive. Hey everybody, this is Poor Choices Kitchen. We have a Patreon link down in the description. $1 a month is all we ask for to pay for recipes in these here inflated times. And we also have YouTube memberships. That's $2.99 because YouTube likes to take its cut. And that goes towards the same thing. And honestly, I'm thinking about just combining the two and just having the Patreon hopefully transition over to the YouTube memberships, because I really want to start giving you all who are supporting me financially just some extra content. As much as I hate putting things behind paywalls, I do want to give you something for what you are paying for. So that's something I'm thinking about. We'll see if I actually do it. And hey, if you make this, tag me. And if you eat this and don't immediately make 5 more, I'll be shocked because I definitely ate like 4 of these. Oh, and the poor choice was just a nice ice cold beer. It was still hot as hell outside. So hey, hit subscribe for more dangerously delicious recipes, and don't forget to drizzle with reckless abandon. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.